A federal court dismissed a challenge to Connecticut's policy of allowing biological boys to compete in girls' high school sports. The court has rejected arguments by 4 female runners who said they were unfairly forced to race against transgender athletes. The lawsuit was filed after 2 biological males won several track and field titles due to a policy allowing them to compete in the girls' division. In their ruling, the court saying the plaintiffs simply have not been deprived of a chance to be champions. The lawyer for the girls says the court got it wrong.
Our clients deserve the right to compete in competition fairly, and that just does not happen when you allow biological males to come in and to dominate women's sports. This is all about fairness for female athletes. The whole point of Title IX was to protect the integrity of women's sports for girls like my clients, and it's disappointing that the court failed to see that.
Pete Hegseth, co-host of Fox and Friends Weekend. What do we tell our girls? Are they not liked?
No, I mean, are they not protected? Is feminism dead? This is not an instance of 1 or 2, wins by a biological male over a girl. These 2 transgender biological males broke 15 state track records and won 17 championships. These were average male runners. They were not going to win state championships. They were going to set records. They were average male runners who transitioned, ran against females, and deprived those females of those 4 and others of the opportunity for victory, for championships, possibly for scholarships, for public recognition, for future employment that emanate from success.
Right.
This is discrimination against women and girls. And it's judges like this who are happy to put their hands in front of their face and deny reality, which is every cell of our body, of yours and of mine, is either male or female. And you can try to make changes and you can add hormones or take away hormones, but you still have the basic ingredients of a male or a female. This court is, of course, wrong. Good on this lawsuit. And, anybody watching that track meet, you know how this goes, Harris. They're watching, they're going, even if they're, tolerant people, good people, they're going, that's not fair. There's no way that's fair. That's a guy. That's a guy beating girls. And that's not the way it's supposed to be.
My big question is why? Why do this?
Well, it's an agenda. It's an agenda. In fact, we have season 2 of our Miseducation of America series coming out next month. It's about sex ed and transgenderism. There has been a assault on binary gender, male, female, man, woman, to create the perception that it does not exist, and that the sex given to your kids at birth is not decided by God, but instead decided by yourself, because we've become God. And as a result, everything else fades away. The traditional values, the traditional roles, in good ways, positive ways, because men and women are very different, fade away, and it becomes a social engineering of who we're supposed to be, according to humanists and secularists and atheists who deny the beautiful things that God has provided us. So it's all part of a big agenda. And once they get us lying to ourselves, then we start to question if we're sane, and we shouldn't.
I won't. I won't be questioning that over this issue. Look, it's in Connecticut. And, my next question, we can't answer right now. Where does it go next? But we will cover it because it is an assault on all those things that you say that people agreed upon at one point, and now they don't agree. And our children pay the price for that.